In this video, I'll show you best settings and tweaks to run FIFA 15 smoothly on any low-end PC, no lag and better performance. All you have to do is navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, open the FIFA setup folder. Scroll down and double click on FIFA config application. Select the game settings. Resolution set to 2280 to 720 and set the full screen option. Render quality low. MSWA options off. Frame rate set no limit on FPS and render options leave it as unchecked and select OK option and just exit this. And now go to documents, double click on FIFA 15 folder and you can able to see FIFA setup. Just right click and select edit in notepad. Rendering quality set it to 0 and select file and select save and it's gonna be saved. And now go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select the add desktop app option and you just need to navigate to the game folder and select the FIFA 15 application and select the add option. After adding the game, just scroll down and select the game and in GPU preference, click on the drop down and select high performance. And now just to close tab here, the final step, open the game. After you are in the game, just press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key together and it's gonna open the task manager and go to details tab and scroll down and find FIFA 15. Just right click on the FIFA 15.exe and select set priority in set to high and select change priority. And now just close off here and open the game and enjoy it without any lag. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.